Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Mudda pappu recipe. This marks the tasteful beginning of the Andhra Thali, without which the lunch or dinner will incomplete. Usually made of tur dal and occasionally of moong dal, and this unique dal preparation makes the main course and delectable in Andhra households. And it's simple and requires not more than couple of essential ingredients, and very easy to prepare. The combination of Mudda pappu and avakai is very famous in Andhra, and I will share the links which are very much suitable to have this dal. And now we will see the ingredients to prepare this tasty Mudda pappu recipe. Ingredients are: we need tur dal 1 cup and 2 cups of water, and garlic 4 flakes. It is optional. And curry leaves 2 stems, and jeelakarra, that is 1 teaspoon, oil 1 tablespoon, and turmeric powder half tablespoon, and salt as per your taste. Coming to the preparation, roast tur dal till it comes to golden brown in color, and until aroma will be coming out. And take this to a bowl and keep aside till it turns to room temperature. After that, wash this tur dal thoroughly and cook in cooker, adding required water and a little turmeric powder till 3 whistles. So if you like, mash garlic cloves and jeelakarra and add to it, and add curry leaves and oil to it. It is very optional. If you like, you can add. So after the pressure goes out, open the lid, and now it's very well cooked. So don't add too much water, and only add the amount of water required to let the dal cook properly. And Mudda pappu means dal which is not too liquid in consistency. So take care while you adding the water. Now mash it thoroughly, adding required salt as per your taste. Now take into serving bowl and serve it. That's it. So it goes well with the plain rice, and adding a dollop of ghee. Yeah, don't forget to add ghee. And it's a very much interested to have with pickles of sour and tangy taste, and goes well with vadiyalu and uramirapakayalu, which I have already shared, and I will be giving all the links here. So you also try it and enjoy the dal and rice in your lunch. And kids also really love it. So try to prepare this, and it's for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.